Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I have a story for you. This is the story of Heather. Heather has a horse. His horse is very happy. Heather has a big hen. Hen lays an egg every day. Heather wears a hat in sun. He is a hard worker. Heather washes his hands before and after every meal. We should have washed our hands before and after eating meal. Dear friends, the beginning sound of horse, hen and hand is say as. Now say with me. Let's read with me. Horse, hen, hat. Horse, hen, hat. Horse, hen, hat.